Every university and school is trying to figure out AI, but the reality is that most AI efforts stay fragmented. Not because AI falls short, but because there's no shared plan to connect the work of different teams. Faculty try one tool, IT tests another. Leadership can't see how it all connects. And without a shared strategy, AI stays stuck in pilot mode. Your institution deserves a better approach to AI, one that's open, collaborative, and built around your people. That's why we created Lecture, to help you use AI in ways that truly support your institution, while keeping full ownership and transparency at every step. Lecture is an open-source AI framework built on AWS, designed specifically for education. It gives you the building blocks to create and manage your own AI solutions, with full ownership and control. Lecture runs inside your own infrastructure, so your data stays yours. You choose which AI models to use, switch between them freely, and you're never locked into a single vendor. Lecture comes with ready-to-use AI capabilities. Make materials available in multiple languages. Automate assessment with rubric-aligned evaluations. Turn any document into an engaging podcast. And generate accessible, personalized content for any course. And because Lecture is a framework, you can also build your own AI use cases, tailored to how your institution actually works. You don't need a collection of separate tools. Lecture integrates directly into the platforms your teams already use, bringing everything into one place. Schools and universities across more than a dozen countries already use Lecture to transform teaching and learning. Own your AI journey. Discover Lecture.